All right, I believe it was Octavian. Here we have your 2016 Dodge Charger. This is a Welly model. Just a civilian version, but you had some lighting that you wanted installed in it. So that's what we did. These are, a lot of people consider them 24 scale. They're smaller, more like a 27th scale. Some of them actually have the scale listed on the bottom of these. Some do not, but the box just comes generic and says 24th to 27th. I'm going to go closer to 27th scale. Anyway, these are a lot more detailed, and of course you can get the newer body style in these Motor Max, just the 20 up to the body style before this 20, what I think run up to like a 2013, I think it is 14 maybe, body style, where these have the new front ends and rear ends on them. So anyway, you wanted some lighting added to this. I went ahead and put one of my wig-wag boards in here. So you have true wig-wag headlight and tail lights. You'd already cut a couple holes for the grille lights, so I added the strobes in there that you wanted. You can see the hoods and doors still open. Let's go ahead and shut these down. Grille lights. What else do we do? There's front visor lighting across here with patterns with those. So like the two outside ones here a light, and the one inside one on the passenger side, and then they'll kind of swap, so you'll get the two over here on the outsides and then the single one on this side. Pretty cool triple strobe pattern with those. You wanted at least 4 LEDs in the rear, so I added 4 LEDs across the rear deck on here. You might be able to see those, maybe not, a little bit. Again, almost the same patterns. The two inside ones will strobe, and then the two outside ones, so they switch back and forth, kind of like a wig-wag pattern with those. And of course, as I mentioned, your wig-wag taillights. Did some cutting on the interior, added a little piece in the back to cover the battery and hold it in place a little better. You will need to take the 3 screws out of the bottom here and you can replace it. You may be able to get away with just taking this one back screw out right here and just kind of pull this apart. I doubt it though. Separate this so you can get room to slide the battery. Probably going to need to take them all out. Still doesn't take, 5-6 minutes to swap the battery, so not that big a deal. It is a full-size 9-volt battery. That's what makes it difficult to put the 9-volt batteries in these, because they won't fit sideways because the car's narrow. And if you put it in front of the screw, because there's a screw in the dead center of this metal right here, it won't fit between the back of the rear seats in this little area here. So I end up making a cut in the interior seats, and the battery passes through that. But as you can see, you can't see the battery. I make like a little cover for it and then paint it back flat black so it matches the rest of the interior. So anyway, here's your main power switch. Well, the only power switch. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And these blue LEDs always freak out my camera, make them look white. But you can see your front LEDs. Again, you'll get 2 on this side, 1 on this side flash, and then simultaneous strobes. Like a wig-wag pattern. Your tail lights, or the grille lights, they're on a different board, so they're going to have different patterns. They'll separate here a little bit. So they won't flash the same sides at the same time. But this one here is set up the same way. Again, triple strobe wig-wags in a faster pattern. And then simultaneous flash with those. See your true wig-wag headlights. Hard to see because, like I said, those blue LEDs freak out the camera. But you do have true wig-wag headlights and tail lights. Same on the rear. I mentioned your 2 inside ones. I wish I could get that just a little bit better so it'd show up. There we go. See how they have a little pattern to those. Your inside ones flashed, and the outsides, again, those are triple strobes. And then, of course, you get your simultaneous flash. And then also with your, you can't hardly see them because of the camera here, but making a mess, not showing it very bright. Your wig-wag tail lights. Again, all those are controlled with one power switch and, like I said, a 9-volt battery. So anyway, I got this one out of the way, finally. I got your email, so I'll get the gray one, try to get it started on here in the next, probably today. Try to get it knocked out for you in the next little bit. Like I said, still got some work I'm doing on the side besides work and besides models. So I'm running way behind. That's why I'm not taking any new orders. So, but anyway, we'll get this one finished up. I got it finished up. We'll get it taken care of. You already paid for it. If you want me to mail this one back to you, I can, or you can wait a few days and get the gray one as well. So just let me know. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.